new camera angle. Anyways, today I'll be showing you the different ways to test out your balisong, like different aspects of it, whatever. I'ma go on with it. Kraken, of course. First off, close precision sound test. Literally just hold one handle and let it swing. Ice pick sound test. Swing test. What else? Oh yeah. Balance test. Just use your finger there. And with those, you can definitely tell this is unoiled, which is literally why I tested it just for this. And yes, this is unscripted as usual. Anyways, one full drop, you put it in each screw, pivot, I don't know what it's called. Oh no, I missed. How did I miss that? There, just one drop each side. And I made a mess. I'm gonna get some tissue. Wait. Just wipe off the excess so it doesn't get on your hands. It's quick and easy. There. How to work it in. You can also do the ice pick sound test for this. And yes, it will start sounding better. And now that it's worked in, fully in, I don't know. I think that sounds better now. Big difference. Very big difference. Oh yeah, sorry I didn't upload yesterday. I'll upload tomorrow, that's for sure. Bye.